we're going to the beach. Good morning, good afternoon, hello. Today is a beach day and I'm really excited. It's almost 11 o'clock. My bag is packed. I'm completely ready for the beach. This is the outfit. I'm gonna leave my house right now, drive to my friend's house, and all of my friends and stuff, we're all gonna meet there and then drive together to the beach. I'm excited. You guys are gonna see my friends slash co-workers, which is also gonna be exciting and fun. Also, my bag is packed to the brim. Waters, hat, towel, everything. I will see you guys when I get to Caitlin's house.
2 hours later.
Hey, hey guys! So, we're making a pit stop at the gas station before we go to the beach. Very excited. Let's just say that's my house right there. You guys were just saying. Her house is being built actually right there. Right behind you. Me again. Just wanted to give you a backstory before things went downhill. Literally, Kirsten was telling us to be careful going down the stairs because like it's really slippery. I wasn't listening for whatever reason. I had my camera in one hand, I had my phone in the other. I was double recording, not holding on to anything, not even paying attention, just trying to be a good YouTuber, get that good footage. Then this happened.
Yeah, just hold on. Don't even worry about it.
I got both. Wow.
I told you to be careful.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not even gonna show you what it looks like from behind. Hi guys! So we're at the beach and I ate it. I literally ate it down the stairs because I was recording.
I warned her too.
Yeah.
She literally,
I was not listening.
it's gonna be slippery.
And then I literally slid down like 10 stairs. It was a lot. But I didn't drop my phone and my camera in both hands. But we went in the water. The waves are really big. Feels great. And now we're just tanning. Ta-da! I'll see you later. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Where's your pet peeve? Oh my gosh. It's hot. Oh my gosh. We're packing up and leaving. Bye guys. We'll see you in the car. Hopefully I don't fall again.
Oh my god.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
My hair looks crazy.
Sorry guys, I started eating.
Guys, we're here at Ubatuba. Look at our bowls.
I already ate Dagan.
What'd you get, Eliza?
Strawberry banana smoothie, and it has like hemp milk in it and coconut sherbet.
Randy, what'd you get?
Strawberry banana.
Yum. So we're gonna eat.
2 hours later.
It is 6:23. I'm back home. I'm tan. I'm showered, and I feel great. I got my hair in this thing to dry. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, everything, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye vlog, I love you guys. Bye vlog, I love you.